Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you for purchasing my Xtra Advanced Alert Green Tomato System. And in this video I'd like to introduce you to my Pro system, which builds on top of the Xtra Advanced Alert system, and it gives us some special indicators that we use so that we can see the buy and sell zones or supply and demand zones or liquidity zones that the market makers use to create extreme moves in price from one extreme overbought to the other extreme oversold and back and forth. And their purpose in doing this is to shake out traders' stop positions so that the traders lose money. And when we lose money, the market makers make money. So it's a simple zero-sum game. For every dollar we lose, they make $1. So they're in the market to make the price levels such that they do extreme sudden price reversals and get traders stopped out who are going in the wrong direction, and this is how they make their money. So now we have indicators that can show us the supply and demand liquidity areas that the market makers are using to shake out the little trader like us. We're the fishies, they're the sharks, so they're preying upon us by using these supply and demand zones, which are liquidity areas where they move price suddenly from one extreme to the other. So from red overbought zones, you can see here, to blue oversold zones. Now we have an indicator where we can see the zone so that we don't trade against the market makers. We want to trade with the market makers. And I've also included a new double trend channel where we have the green support lines and the red resistance lines, and between these two indicators we can see very clearly how the market makers are pushing the price from one extreme to another. And I've also included an early reversal alert arrow, which pops up and sends us a pop-up message when the arrow detects a spike in price into these areas which are overbought or oversold. So we have an early reversal alert arrow which alerts us ahead of time to a price reversal so we can be prepared for it. And then my entry arrow gives us the exact entry place, and of course the colored candles will change color. These are smoothed trend candles, and so combined with the entry arrow, the trend slope, and in my middle window my RSI window, momentum window, and then of course down on the bottom is the 4-hour and daily trend lines. Between all of these indicators, we'll be trading with the market makers and not against them. So we'll have all of the momentum and volatility behind us as the market makers are pushing price from one extreme to another. We'll be trading along with them, and it's very easy to see. So these are all of the special indicators that you get in the new Pro system. They help us trade like a professional, like the professionals trade. These are the banks and hedge fund managers, and they are providing the market for us, and we want to trade with them and not against them. And these indicators show us exactly how they're trading. The middle window is a different type of RSI indicator that I've changed to for this Pro system, and this is actually an RSI divergence indicator. So the little green arrows or the little hot pink arrows are showing us a trend reversal ahead of time, and divergence is one of two leading indicators. The other one is Fibonacci. So we like to use divergence in our trading because it gives us a leading indication, a prediction of where price is going to go. So that's included in the Pro system also. So those are the special indicators that we have. You can use these indicators for swing trading, day trading, or scalping. This is a 4-hour chart, and these are very wide swings here. This is really a very common one here, 230 pips from being overbought to oversold. And so price is rejected at these red areas and reversed. So this becomes a counter trend trade, and by the time it gets to the middle between these two double trend channel lines, it turns into a trend trade. And so we're counter trend trading and trend trading at the same time, so we'll have more trade opportunities. But the main thing is that we're trading exactly the way the market makers are trading. We're not sort of guessing at where the top or the bottom is. We can see exactly where the top and the bottom is and where the reversal points are, and we trade right along with the professional traders. So this is the Pro Green Tomato system, which you can purchase now for, I think, a very reasonable price. All of the training videos are in the PDF, and I also have this special Facebook training group which you can join, and you can post screenshots of your trades, and you can ask questions about the various indicators, and you can post screenshots and show us your winning trades and brag about them. We love to see that because we all learn from each other, and we also are inspired by each other. So I highly encourage that. So thank you so much for taking the time to look at my new Pro indicator system, and I hope that you pick it up, and I'm sure you're going to be very happy with it. It tends to give you more trade opportunities, but going in the right direction, trading with the sharks instead of against the sharks. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the training videos and in the Facebook training group. Thanks and happy trading.